He's out, guys. Because even in England, they say England. Arabit.
No, Arabit. Arabit.
Cut. If you're learning French or learning English, of course, you need to learn how to say these countries in that language, right?
Absolutely. You've got to know.
So the first one, we say Croatia.
Croatia. So weird. For us, it's Croatie.
What? Croatie?
Croatie.
Not Croatia?
No. Sounds like a name like Croatia. Hey, Croatia.
Hey, Keisha. And another one, we say South Korea.
South Korea. Corée du Sud.
Corée
Ah oui, Corée du Sud.
du Sud.
Voilà. Et pour la Corée du Nord, Corée du Nord.
And then naturally, we have the Ivory Coast.
Oh, Ivory Coast. La Côte d'Ivoire.
Côte d'Ivoire.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. Sounds good. And another one, Germany.
Germany. So that one, no, it's Allemagne.
Allemagne?
Oui.
Okay, I'm calling a yellow card on this one.
What? But no.
It's Germany. You guys are so far off on that.
No. Allemagne ou Allemagne.
What did they call it, Germans?
Probably Dutchland, which is...
So we're both completely off. But hey, if you're learning French or English, you gotta say it one of these ways.
That's probably what it is, right?
Next one, the Netherlands. That's where my mom is right now. She's visiting her boyfriend.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Well, guess what? She has to say something else at Netherlands. Les Pays-Bas.
The what?
Les Pays-Bas.
Les Pays-Bas.
Les Pays-Bas.
Les Pays-Bas.
Absolutely.
To me, it sounds like the Low Countries.
That's it. That's the Low Countries. And I believe it's because it's flat.
And another one, of course, we have England.
England. But no, l'Angleterre.
Okay, I'm calling... He's out, guys. Because even in England, they say England.
So let me explain to you a rule. You can do that right away, or you could give me another yellow one, which means a red one.
Another one. And I grew up here as a little girl. If you watch the How We Met video, you'll hear a little bit about it. Switzerland.
So long, Switzerland. Suisse for us.
So you do Angleterre, but you do Suisse instead of Suisse-terre?
La Suisse.
It's probably how they say it.
I don't know. Let us know in the comments. I know we have like a lot of followers in Switzerland. So,
We'll find out.
yeah.
We've got Wales.
Oh, Wales. This one, guys. Pays de Galles.
Pays de quoi?
Pays de quoi? Pays de Galles.
Pays de Galles.
Voilà. Bon, in French, we would say Pays de Galles.
Pays de Galles.
Voilà.
What does it mean?
So on that one, I'll let the followers answer this. I know personally, but I don't want to show off with my knowledge.
We show up a lot and we
Yeah,
get things wrong,
right,
so it's probably
right.
a safe bet.
But
Okay.
Wales, Pays de Galles.
Wales.
If you don't know the language, you know, you're like, what are you talking about? Pays de Galles? What is it? If you're an
Yeah.
English person, I can't imagine. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's weird, but I'm sure for you guys it's weird because are we talking about whales in the ocean or
Oh, yeah, that's true.
another one? Spain.
Spain, okay. Espagne.
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 I love that ny sound that
Yeah.
you guys have with the G and the N. Espagne.
Espagne. And by the way, it's closer to the Spanish. Español, España.
España.
Mm-hmm.
We're probably a little off on Spain. We just took the E off and said ain instead of añ.
Out right away.
Okay, I guess I deserve that one.
Spain, no more.
Another one, Belgium.
Belgium, well, Belgique.
Belgique?
Ah oui, Belgique.
Really?
Ah oui. And that one, they are saying it because they speak, half of them speak French. So Belgique.
Belgique.
Yeah, not Belgium.
Belgium. Another one. This is a French-speaking country. I'm sure I'll be blasted for this one. But we say Morocco.
No, not Morocco. Le Maroc.
Le Maroc.
Yeah, Morocco.
Morocco.
Why? Why?
Are you sure you're right, though?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Next, Saudi Arabia.
Arabie Saoudite.
What?
Bah oui, l'Arabie Saoudite.
L'Arabie Saoudite.
Yeah, Saudi Arabia. So annoying as well. You guys are...
No, you guys are Arabite.
No, Arabite. Arabite. No.
Wait, I was trying to say the word. I forgot it.
Arabie Saoudite.
Cut. Another one, a lot of people here from Japan.
Japan. Japon.
Japon.
Voilà, Japon.
Okay, that's pretty close
Yeah.
actually.
This one, no yellow, no red card.
A big one, Brazil.
Brazil. Brésil.
Brazil?
Brésil.
Brazil.
Et toi, tu dis quoi?
Brazil.
Ah oui, Brazil.
Not Brazil, but like bruh. Like bruh.
Okay. But I think on that one, you're closer to the Portuguese.
It's probably like Brazil.
Brazil.
We always.
Oh.
We also have Egypt.
Egypt. L'Égypte.
L'Égypte.
Bah oui. Ça, c'est très sérieux. L'Égypte.
Sounds so
Grand.
grand.
Pharaonic.
Oh.
But Egypt.
Egypt.
Yeah. No, I don't like it.
Important one, guys. France.
Ah bah voilà, le plus important. Le plus important. La France.
La France.
Bah oui, bah France. It's like France.
Yeah.
No. And when I speak English, I always say, I'm from France.
No, you don't do that.
Oh really? I don't.
Oh, come on. When he speaks English, you guys, you could make fun of him big time because he speaks full on, not only English, Southern accent style English sometimes. And I'm like,
Yeah.
I did not marry a cowboy.
All right.
And of course, the United States.
The United States. Okay, les États-Unis d'Amérique.
Meh, meh.
Oh my gosh. No.
Les États-Unis d'Amérique.
Very good.
I was like trying to remember it.
Yeah, okay. The US. On dit les US.
Oh, you say US.
Les
No,
US.
not even US. You say US.
Ah oui. Les États-Unis d'Amérique ou les US. Ouais.
Or USA.
USA. Okay.
Now to the next segment. This one's really fun. In addition to the countries, we were talking about the game when we were watching it the other day at the bar. And we were like, wait, you say what for that word? And back and forth, it was like, wait a minute. So we thought we had to share it with you guys.
We have to. Of course, let's start with the obvious. We say football.
This is not obvious. We call it soccer. Football is a different game.
No, football, le foot.
Where did you guys get that?
Probably from England. Your motherland.
It's our fault.
We say un match.
Okay, match. We say game, like a soccer game, but we would say a match too.
Un match too. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We say un but.
Oh yeah, you guys say boot for goal?
Exactement. On dit et but.
The way you remember boot, or I remember, is it's a goal in a game. It's also a goal if you have a goal in life. I don't know, I think of it like but. It's like the end part, the end of the goal.
Oh, okay.
I don't
the end
know.
of the. Okay. Well, that's fine.
That's fine, you can do that weird thing if you
Everyone
want to.
is free. Everyone is free in this country. No problem at all. And we have un gardien.
Oh really? Un
Yes.
gardien. That must be your goalie. Or goalkeeper.
Right. Exactly.
Really?
Yes.
A guardian. That's so cute.
Yeah, guardian. But you have keep. Keeper. A keeper.
Yeah.
Guardian. So yeah.
Okay. Keeper of the goals or un gardien.
Un gardien.
That's so fancy.
Exactement. We also have, and we're wrong on this one, un corner.
A what?
Un corner.
Corner. What is it?
It's a corner.
Oh. Like a corner kick or something?
Yes, it's a corner kick.
Corner.
Un corner.
So you're just saying corner in English.
Yes.
But you should say coin.
I know, we say exactement, mais on n'a pas dit. We don't say that. So we say un corner. And really, we say corner, not corner or c'est corner.
Corner.
Absolument. We also have un coup franc.
Coup franc. What is it?
Imagine, un coup franc is a kick, but somewhat of a type of kick.
I don't know.
It's a free kick.
Oh. Why is it?
Un coup franc, why is it free?
Well, why is it coup?
Un coup, parce que we shoot it like it's un coup.
Oh.
Et franc, parce que you let the other team do it.
What's franc? mean?
I think it's frank, means like very, very like you go for it.
A frank hit.
I don't know where it's coming from.
A coup franc.
Yeah.
Free kick.
A free kick. And I am, and we all are, des supporters.
A supporter.
Yes.
It's like so formal. Je suis un supporter de football.
Voilà, un supporter. Je pense qu'on peut dire supportrice aussi.
Really?
Une supporter, ouais, ça peut se passer. Mais what do you say?
I'm a fan.
Oh my god, a fan. We would say, on peut dire fan, un fan de football, mais on dit un supporter, les supporters dans les tribunes. And we say les tribunes.
What is it?
Where you sit.
The stands?
Voilà,
Tribune?
les tribunes.
I don't even know how to remember that.
Bah c'est pas facile. It's not easy.
Maybe for like giving a tribute.
Let's do it. Let's do it that way.
That's how I'll remember it.
And the most important person on the field, l'arbitre.
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 L'arbitre. What is it? Arbitrator. Arbitrator. Referee.
Referee.
Arbitre.
That's it, l'arbitre. And we don't have a way to short it, just like you say ref, right?
Oh yeah, we say the ref. Yeah.
On dit pas l'arbre.
The l'arbre is a tree.
Exactly. And all the players are wearing un maillot.
A maillot. A jersey?
Yeah.
A maillot.
M-A-I-L-L-O-T. Coming from une cotte de maille. Maille was the thing that you were wearing back in the days, prevent from being cut by a sword. You know what I mean? You had like this little, little thing.
Like chain mail. They say chain mail.
Mail.
Maille.
Maille. Une maille, it's when the fabric is coming together like this, you know? So, maille, maillot, une cotte de maille.
So now I can remember because it's like a chain mail, chain maille, maillot.
Voilà.
Okay, got it.
Super. And of course, those players, they wear this maillot in une équipe.
A team. I know that one. It's a team. It's so interesting to me because it's équipe or l'équipe, which is, we say for the tools or whatever they use, right? The equipment.
You say équipement, so we have the same.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. So a team is équipe.
Équipe. And of course, they are wearing also some specific shoes called les crampons.
Crampons?
Oui.
I've never heard that word. Are they cleats?
Oh, you call that cleats?
Soccer cleats?
Yeah, les chaussures à crampons ou les crampons. And all those players, they are playing on something called un terrain.
A terrain.
Et voilà.
Un terrain.
Un terrain de football.
Not a field?
Non, mais non. Pas un champ de football.
Un champ de football.
Not for the World Cup. World Cup, c'est sur un terrain.
It's funny because we say field. Soccer field, football field, baseball field. They're all fields.
That's so true. I never realized that.
Yeah.
Wow. And also, there's an interesting one. Is when the game has exactly the same score and it ends, we call that un match nul.
Match nul.
Eh oui.
We say a tie.
A tie?
Yeah. Match nul sounds like it canceled itself out.
It's funny. So yes, in a way, but also you could think that it's a very bad match. Like un match qui est nul. So, something qui est nul, something qui est c'est nul, c'est nul, c'est pas bien. On that one, it can be a very, very crazy game, like a very cool match.
It's still a match nul.
It's a match nul.
Because it's a tie.
It's a tie. And we say un entraîneur.
Entraîneur.
Ouais.
So formal. I'm assuming that's the coach?
That's exactly right. Entraîner.
The trainer.
Exactly.
Ah, okay.
Exactement.
That's how you can remember that one.
Ouais.
We just say coach.
Coach.
Put me in, coach. Take me out, coach. So, as usual, we're using fun current events to help you learn French or English. Hopefully this helped you today. And if you have some suggestions, let us know. We'd like to do some other topics.
Absolutely. And now that you're all up to speed, you watch it with a commenter in English or in French, and you will know exactly what's going on.
You'll recognize the country, you'll recognize the terms, and don't forget to visit Texas.
Absolutely. We welcome you.
Well, thanks, y'all.
Et à bientôt.